Hello, my name is Dario Battistel. I am an associate professor in Foscari's Department of Environmental Sciences, Informatics and Statistics, and I am one of the professors who teach for this program. This program focuses on the study of global climate and environmental changes. It is intrinsically multi- and interdisciplinary, involving the exploration of ecology, climatology, socioeconomics, statistics and modeling. As a result, it prepares you to outline future climatic and environmental scenarios, as well as design actions to mitigate their potential impact. University education today, especially in climate change, needs to be international, and our program offers the chance to carry out a double degree in connection with a network of university partners in Austria, Germany, the Netherlands, Switzerland and Japan. You could also take advantage of one of Foscari's hundreds of exchange programs around the globe. While professors often teach some things but invest their research time in others, the teaching and research of our faculty are both closely aligned with the themes of global environmental change and sustainability. This means more opportunities for students. For example, doing an internship on campus working with internationally recognized research groups, as well as interacting with a large community of experts associated with important institutes on campus, such as our Institute of Polar Sciences. In fact, our scientific campus, located only a few kilometers from the historic center of Venice, creates a wonderful sense of community among professors and students alike. There is an ever more promising future for environmental science graduates. Recently, the European Commission has been developing regulation regarding environmental impact assessment and mitigation for all of Europe. As these regulations are more widely adopted by businesses and industries, graduates of programs like this one will be easily able to tap into the professional and research opportunities the regulations generate. If you are as passionate about deepening your understanding of global change and sustainability as my colleagues and I are, I look forward to welcoming you in the classroom sometime soon.